storming. Just broke right inside. Got to get it right angle a bit. And yeah, I don't think an extractor's going to do, because when I'm twisting this way, I'm not drilling this way to come out. I'm drilling this way that's going to push out. And I'm not sure how much broke unless I get another doorman and see the size difference. Probably 1/4 inch. Never going to be fun. It's showtime here on Fish. Man, I'm on Rocksteady. Rocksteady's a little bit bouncy, especially with auto low light. With the Osmo Action 4, you can't use Rocksteady Plus or Horizon Balance, or what is it, Horizon Steady as well, on a lower resolution where you could turn around and still stay level. Now, I did get another battery, and I said, let me get a little lower in the cranking power, 550 versus 640. And my mistake was, I swore I saw right, and I am wrong. So going back, go get another one. Simple as that, and get the right battery. Hopefully no issues at all. I got this gift card, and I can't spend it, because everything I want, Best Buy don't have. I'm looking for a lavalier mic that I could put on that sounds nice. A wire that runs down to, the DJI Mic 2 and Fuel MX5. So this way it doesn't stand against my neck, but the mic stands against my neck. No, I could put it over here and it'd be away from my neck. Or I could just clip it onto the shirt. But the magnet just sits on there and it really falls down every time the transmitter's there. Rode makes one, $79 at Best Buy, $64 online elsewhere. And DJI makes one, I think, at $39, $29. I got some points. I need a little bit more points to get it, but shipping's going to be a killer. I did this chair build. I think I'm going to do it live. Oh man, let me tell you, what fun that chair was to build. It wasn't a big jigsaw puzzle, just one part. You must understand. And when it gets all tingle-tangled, you'll figure it out on your own. I love the waiting game. It's just great. Exchange is still waiting. It is what it is, man. When I walked out there in the distance, not too far. Oh, you need a mic, Fish. I know I need a mic. I don't carry it with me because mostly my time is vlogging. And vlogging, you don't need a mic when you're 6 feet from the camera. But it seems that if you talk awfully low, you need a mic. Did you hear what I said? I said when you're awfully talking low, you need a mic. I downloaded another editor, and I can't remember which one it's called. It was supposed to be free. It was easy to use. Man, that audio line was perfect. It was so large, they did a great job. I didn't like it for the reasons of, it didn't have much. You had to pay for all the others. But it was an easy editor. What else can I say? The dog, the pooch is telling you what it's all about. As long as I own a computer, it doesn't matter if it's a Mac or Windows. The editor, never going to be right. It is what it is. Maybe down in the line, in the future, we'll get a better editor down the road. With Cyberlink, you ask a question. The moderators, they just volunteer their staff in a way and not. And they just close topics and they don't help out and they don't want to improve their software. That was great. Why? Because AI is the way they're going. And they think AI could do all the answering. Feedback. Feedback's important, man. I may be a little forgetful at times, but when I first said, hey, let me go get the PD24, I forgot. Background removal It's not offered in the Ultima lifetime. Only in 360, where you just hit it and it automatically removes everything for you. All the background. Artificially. I got a lot to do now. I gotta go hunt for my right angle little bit drill thing chuck, which I don't think I'm gonna find. I kind of know where it's at, but I can't find it. I gotta go find some bits. I may have to just go buy a bit, buy a right angle drill, and off I go. So yeah, go on the hunt for my stuff. Yeah, the hardest part is getting the drill in there. So let me go see what drills I got that may fit in the spot. Shit. And on that note, you know who I am. And I see you on many other videos to come.